How to fix Brother Printer paper jam error. 3 quick solutions. Method 1. Remove jammed paper from paper tray. Step 1. Start with unplugging the machine from the AC power outlet. Step 2. Then, unplug the cable from the device. Step 3. Next, take the paper tray out of the printing device. Step 4. Now, remove the jammed paper from the tray. Step 5. Once you have cleared it, set the paper in the tray. Step 6. After that, you will need to put the tray back correctly. Step 7. Now, you have to lift the scanner cover to open the lock. Remove any paper stuck into the print head. Step 8. Push the scanner cover support down carefully. Step 9. Close the scanner cover after that. Step 10. Plug the power cord back into the AC power outlet. Step 11. Now, you need to power up the unit. Step 12. In the end, you can plug the telephone line cord into the machine. Method 2. Remove jammed paper inside the machine. Step 1. In the first step, unplug the device from the AC power outlet. Step 2. Then, unplug the telephone line cord from the printing device. Step 3. Next, take out the jam clear cover on the back of the unit. Step 4. Remove the jammed paper from the machine. Step 5. Now, you will need to reinstall the jam clear cover. Step 6. If you are unable to clear the paper jam, lift the scanner cover. Lift it up from the right-hand side of the device until it locks firmly into an open position. Step 7. Then, lift the scanner cover to open the lock. Remove any paper stuck into the print head. Step 8. You will need to push the scanner cover support carefully. Step 9. Then, you can close the scanner cover. Step 10. Now, attach the power cord back to the AC power outlet. Step 11. After that, power the unit back up. Step 12. Next, plug the telephone line cord into the printer. Once you have attempted all of the instructions, check if the error is cleared from the printing device. Method 3. Clean the multipurpose tray. Step 1. First, unplug the printer from the main power. Step 2. Then, take out any paper that is inserted into the MP tray. Step 3. Next, set the paper support back into the MP tray cover. Step 4. Take out the paper tray from the machine. Step 5. Remove the 2 green levers inside the machine. Step 6. It will release the jammed paper. Step 7. Use both hands under the plastic tabs on both sides to lift the scanner. Step 8. Pull out the jammed paper slowly out of the machine. Step 9. Then, close the scanner cover using both hands. Step 10. Slowly take out the jammed paper. Step 11. Now, close the MP tray cover. Step 12. Push the paper tray firmly back into the machine. Step 13. You will need to pull the paper support while holding the paper tray. Step 14. Make sure it locks into place while pulling out the tray. Step 15. Then, you need to unfold the paper support flap. Step 16. In the end, reconnect the power cables. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com. Or call us at 1-877-469-0297.